Disassembling gear, a step-by-step guide. Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, disassemble gear. Whether you're a budding mechanic, a DIY enthusiast, or just curious about how things work, understanding how to disassemble gear is a valuable skill. Let's dive into what it means to disassemble gear, why it's important, and how to do it safely and effectively. Before we handle any gear, it's crucial to understand the term, disassemble. To disassemble means to take apart something systematically. It's the process of separating something into its individual components, usually for the purposes of cleaning, repairing, or studying how it works. When we disassemble something, we get a closer look at how the parts fit together and function as a whole. Now, let's talk about gear. In this context, gear doesn't just refer to equipment or tools. It specifically means the mechanical components that transmit power and motion in machinery. Gears are integral to the functioning of countless machines, from simple clocks to complex car engines. Understanding how to disassemble gear is key to maintaining and repairing these machines. Disassembling gear requires careful preparation. First, gather the right tools for the job, such as screwdrivers, wrenches, and pliers. Next, ensure you have a clean workspace where you can lay out the parts without losing any. It's also wise to have a container for small parts like screws and bolts. And most importantly, always consult the manufacturer's manual or guidelines to understand the specific steps and precautions for the gear you're working on. The actual process of disassembling gear involves several steps. 1. Safety first. Ensure all power sources are disconnected. 2. Documentation. Take photos or notes to remember how to reassemble the gear later. 3. Sequential disassembly. Start with the outermost parts and gradually work your way in. 4. Organization. Keep the disassembled parts organized and labeled if necessary. 5. Cleaning and inspection. Clean each part and inspect for damage as you go. Disassembling gear can present challenges, such as stripped screws, corroded parts, or complex assemblies. Having the right tools is crucial, as is patience and careful handling. If you encounter a problem, consult resources or seek professional help rather than risking damage to the gear or yourself. Disassembling gear is a skill that combines patience, precision, and a keen understanding of mechanics. Whether you're maintaining, repairing, or simply satisfying your curiosity about how machines work, the ability to take apart and reassemble gear is immensely useful. Remember to always approach the task with respect for the machinery and a commitment to safety. Happy disassembling, and here's to a successful journey into the world of mechanics.